entered the last song of this reaction video to F5VE with Magic Clock. So, let's see what F5VE has in store for us. I mean, not in store because I already know because I already watched these music videos, but I just want to share my reactions with the hi-fi community, the hi-fi community, because I want to know, and let me know in the comments down below if you have the same reaction as me, because I really love F5VE. I really love their music because their lyrics really resonate with me. So that's why I got some so strong reactions. So without further ado, and without me rambling again, this is the last reaction to Magic Clock from this video. So guys, let's start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Divas. Complete divas. And I love the touch on Sayaka's, like, I think that's a belt. She has a short, she has a short and then she has a belt, because that's not a skirt. That is not a skirt. That is too short to be a skirt. She has shorts. But the wristwatch belt, that's a really nice touch. Like, I'm the queen of time, bitch. Sorry.
Baby おはよう遅刻だよ Time to go 電車遅れる昨日は楽しかったなははは余韻に浸る
I love how in this Miju and Rudy started everything. Oh, also check out Rudy's and Rui's boots. Nice.
キラキラめくあの時に戻りたい魔法で光る時計を今使いたいあいあいココやりこのワイヤーココ Let a minute body hour That's my magic power Coco That's my magic My magic clock That's my magic clock That's my magic clock That's my magic clock My magic clock
He moved the clock and everyone is small right now. Also, so this is Rudy. Rudy. This is Kaede. No, wait. Stop. Again. I think this is Rudy. This is Rui. This is Kaede. And it's either Miju and Sayaka. Let's see.
の冬のタコパあれさ忘れられない
But the fact that they casted the girl for Small Kaede so well is nice.
海辺でのピクニックもキャレコまたしてみたいキラキラめく
Oh, I told you I was right.
あの時にも
She's old now.
戻りたい魔法で光る時計を今使いたいあいあいココやりこのワイヤーココ Let a minute body hour That's my magic power Coco That's my magic My magic clock That's my magic clock
Like this part, like the white background, is the representation of you broke time. You started messing with the clock and you broke time.
Magic clock. That's my magic clock. My magic clock.
you broke time, and now they are like, oh yes. You broke time. That is our reaction the entire time, like, oh shit, now what do we do? You know, that part, they should really make it like a WhatsApp sticker, because that would be that reaction for like, oh, I messed up. I really messed up. Well, guys, that was the reaction for 5e. I mean, the first part, because we got another video reaction coming soon. You can watch it after that one. It's not tied into this one, but if you want to watch it in synchrony, then you can watch this one. You can watch the other one, and so on. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think of 5e and what do you expect for the next single to come. What do you expect for that? And what do you want 5e to do? Let's start a conversation right here and let's see what we can do about it. So, see you in another video, guys. If you have any other reaction you want me to react to, like any other artist, K-pop, J-pop, whatever, just let me know in the comments down below and I'm going to be letting you know when the video is going to be up. See you guys. Have a nice time. Bye bye.